Hello, hello, hello. I am Mrs. M with the Gov Edge. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link in the description to actually subscribe. So I have a lot of people that ask me, what are the most important people that you need to hire for your business if you're looking at scaling it to my favorite, 6 figures and beyond? Pow. So there are 3 people that you absolutely need to have. One, of course, is you. The CEO. The main thing you need to focus on is relationship building. You need to focus on building the relationships, making sure that you're the closer. You are the one that they speak to if there's some decision needs to be made, like when it comes to capability briefings or if you're going to industry days. But try your best to be the face of your business for all relationships that you're looking to build. Very important. I didn't learn that until after I've been doing it for a while. Then I realized you can't send anyone else out there to do that but you. So that means you need to free yourself up whenever possible when it comes to the admin. I would probably choose one day that I pay someone in the beginning, but try to, maybe save money from coffee, not drinking coffee, hot chocolate, whatever your thing is. It's worth it if you can start out with just like one day with the virtual assistant or an admin, and then have that person try their best to do all of the admin things, invoicing, sam.gov, anything that's admin related. And you want to write it down for like A for admin, and then you want to write down R for revenue. You're going to be the one that's doing the revenue. So all your activities, you want to try to put an R for activities that are going to create revenue, like Kate briefings and things like that. Then the third person you need, and this is going to be somebody that's on demand, you can get them from Fiverr, Upworks, is your proposal writer. That's someone that is very familiar with proposals. They can look at them, analyze them, help you write them, submit them. That's what you want them for. You also want to be the one that reviews the sources sought on sam.gov, and you want to be the one that pays attention to the exact pricing, all of that. That's what you're going to do. You can be the one that's submitting the micro purchases and the simplified acquisition procedures, because if you remember, or if you don't, I share with you how with the Trump, there's a lot of changes with the Trump administration, with the micro purchases going up and the simplified acquisitions that are going up over the next 4 or 5 years. Starting now all the way to 2030 is going to be changes. So there's going to be a lot of places where you can fit in. And then you want to have a CPA on call. You want to have an attorney on call. You want to make sure that you have them at your fingertips if you need them. Now, these are some of the minimum. Another minimum that you really would love to have, if possible, is someone that is your market analyst. That means they're looking at all the things that you can look at capturing to help you put it in your pipeline between now and a year out. That's right. That's how far you want to look out when it comes to that. Now, this person can be on demand as well. So if we recap, what are the main ones we need? You, the CEO, you are the one that's the closer. You help take care of the business. You want your VA or your admin. Definitely, you want to get to that because you're losing money if you're doing A for admin, because you're going to be starting to separate R for our revenue. We're going to do A for admin, and then we can do like a P for proposal. Who's going to help you write your proposals? Your admin person needs to be buried in all sam.gov, helping you look for bids. If you don't have anyone that's on there on your team looking for that, they can cross over, try to add them at first one day, then end up doing 2 days, but get them up and going as soon as you can to take you out of doing the simple things so that you can do the CEO things, which are getting the money in and producing the revenue. So 3 hires are an absolute must. You, your admin, VA, and your proposal writer, and if all possible, have a market analyst. That's your 3 hires, or you can go with you, your VA, and your proposal writer. Those are your 3 must. Everyone else can be on demand, virtual, however you want to do it. You can do Upworks, you can do Fiverr, all of that. But that's what you want. And your admin person should be really good when it comes to AI. And your admin person should be really, really, really good when it comes to designing. They should be the ones that are doing your thumbnails, your design for your proposals, all of that. So work on that team so you can get it together for making the 6 figures. And if you'd like to know more, make sure you click the link in the description so you can join me for one of my Q4 free special training on all of this and AI and how it can help you grow your business. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.